Today's video is all about creating the best GoPro video template for your motovlog videos. I'm gonna go through all my GoPro settings, so follow along and let's get started. Okay, first you're gonna start by making sure your video performance mode is set to maximum. Show you guys how to do it. Swipe down from the top. You're gonna see a little lightning bolt right there. Click on it and it's the first option right here. You just slide it. Maximum video performance. It's the more you're gonna wanna go with. You can exit out of this, and then from here we're gonna click on this little playlist down here, and it's gonna bring up another series of pre-made playlists, or templates would be a better word for it, but we're gonna make our own. So you're gonna click the two dashes up here. I'm gonna click the plus icon so we can create our own preset. Video. This is the bread and butter, all the settings right here. Okay, so follow along with me as I go along. Mode is already video. Resolution is going to be the only thing that differs between everybody. I personally record in 1080 by 60, but you can go all the way up to 5K if you want to be honest. That's the only thing that's going to differ. Next, lens, I'm going to set that to super view, 16 millimeters, the best perspective for motovlogs because it captures the most stuff in one time. Hyper smooth. This camera does a really good job of stabilizing shaky footage. So turn that up to the boost. The hyper smooth is really good on this camera. Schedule capture, NA, duration, no limit, hindsight off, timer off, zoom 1.0. Leave all those settings as is. Pro Tune, get a little bit more specific with the video. Bitrate, change that to high. Resolution purposes, shutter, auto. The camera does a really good job with light as well. EV comp, leave at 0. White balance, auto, you can leave that alone. ISO min and max. I think the minimum is already 100. We're gonna increase. This is at 1600 default. Just change it to 32 for the ISO max. Sharpness, high. Get a lot of high, we'll go get high sharpness over here. Oh, I was touching wind reduction. Sharpness, high. Color, natural or vibrant. I actually prefer vibrant a lot of times. It just depends on the area, but vibrant. We'll go vibrant for most situations, but natural works just as good. It's pretty minor to be honest. Raw audio. I recommend you guys get an external mic because the mic on cameras are never good, you know. It always captures all this excessive noise, but if you already have an external mic that you're using via the media mod, just go ahead and turn raw audio off. Wind. Who wouldn't want to win a little wind reduction? So you're gonna keep that on, okay? And that is gonna be it for the settings. You can set shortcuts on the main menu if you want to this time, but those are all the settings you need. We're gonna click go next, and then we're gonna name it. I think the last thing they want us to do. I'm gonna do that plus icon. And bada bing, bada boom, guys, you're set. This is the best preset template for overall motovlog content footage. Let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. I'll see y'all soon.